I was serving with 40 Commando Royal Marines in Afghanistan. We'd had a small scrap with the enemy, and then returning towards our forward operating base, I trod on and triggered an improvised explosive device, which resulted in me losing both of my legs. My name is Joe Townsend. I'm a former Royal Marines Commando and para-triathlete for Great Britain. Probably my biggest achievement to date is the first Ironman I ever did, because for me that was just so much more than a triathlon. That was me proving to myself and to my family that even after injury I wasn't beaten and I was still the same man. I was the same fighting fit Royal Marines Commando prior to my injury. The Rio 2016 Paralympics were particularly special, being my first Paralympic Games, competing at that level with people that are at the top of their class all over the world. It's just a phenomenal environment to be in and what every professional athlete strives to achieve. Having won the gold medal for Team England at the Commonwealth Games was an immensely proud moment for me. I've always fought for my country, being a Royal Marine, and to be able to come back after injury and fight for my country once again to win that gold medal in Australia, it was just an amazing experience and something that holds really closely to my heart. Disability is incredibly individual in its nature. From myself as a double amputee competing against guys and girls with spinal cord injuries to visually impaired, everybody faces their own problems. So one of the problems 3D printing has solved for me is custom bespoke hand grips for the handbike. When you're spending 20+ hours a week training and gripping on to what was originally a metal tube, the fatigue in your hands started to cause injuries. So being able to bespoke, mould, scan and 3D print a hand grip perfect ergonomic fit for my hand was an absolute game changer. I'm completely self-taught. I learned computer-aided design and 3D printing from resources online. I start with a plastic hand grip and use a thermoplastic to mould perfectly the shape of my hand. I scan this onto the computer and smooth out the mesh to take out any inconsistencies. And then I slice the hand grip in the Eiger software, and then on the Markforged printer, within about 24 hours, you have your completed hand grip, which is a perfect end-use product ready to go. I chose the Markforged 3D printer due to its accuracy and the onyx material in which it prints with. It's incredibly lightweight, strong, whilst being durable and robust, which makes it absolutely perfect for end-use parts which athletes can use for hours and hours on end without degradation or risk of damage. Since having the Markforged printer, I've been able to develop a lot of bespoke solutions for myself, and hopefully moving forwards and using my knowledge of 3D printing and my knowledge within the sporting industry, I can take that forwards and hopefully solve a lot of problems for other athletes and allow them to achieve their dreams.